Hey everyone, Will the Trill here. So here's an update on the 1990s Capehart 40 pint dehumidifier. A year ago, while this was running, the Electrohome fan motor seized up. So it was after I got the Kenmore 48 pint dehumidifier with the Tecumseh AE in it. I put the 48 pint Kenmore to use while I took this one out of service because this motor seized up. Typical sealed motor. So this thing sat for a year unused until a couple days ago I got around to taking this whole assembly that holds this motor in place. I took all this out. I had to take the fan motor apart just to oil the front and rear bearing. You know, it's pretty stupid. That's my only dislike of these Canadian-built dehumidifiers, because they use these sealed Electrohome fan motors. But a real pain in the ass. I thought I was unsuccessful at breaking this fan motor free. I used my trusty Zoom Spout non-detergent oil. But the open motor sat for a couple days, and luckily it took a long time, but if the motor freed up now. Yeah, I was a little surprised. That took a long time, but the front bearing managed to break free. So we appear to be back in business with the 40 pint Capehart. I'll quickly demonstrate it running. Yeah. It works again. So this proves that even though that's a sealed motor, these old dehumidifiers, they're fixable. And they'll work again. If you maintain it properly, these things will last forever. Yeah, so I'll take the oversized Kenmore out of service and put this one back in service, because this one is more size appropriate. This is a 40 pint and the Kenmore is a 48 pint. Yeah, so I'll put this back together. And look at that. The motor's got good spin down time now. So, Capehart lives again. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.